Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and straightforward way to see if you can connect MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5, directly to TradingView in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check if this integration is available, saving you time and possible confusion down the road. Let's dive right in. So to start off, go ahead and open up TradingView in your web browser. Don't worry if this is your first time using the platform, it's super user-friendly. TradingView is where millions of traders chart, analyze, and in some cases even place trades. We're checking here whether MT5, which is another hugely popular platform for Forex and CFD trading, can be directly linked so you can execute trades from within TradingView itself. Once you're on TradingView's homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for Products. This option is usually easy to spot, just a little tab up there among things like charts or markets. Click on it. The Products menu groups all the essential features and add-ons that TradingView offers, so think of it as your toolbox for getting the most out of the platform. Once the Products menu is open, glance all the way down towards the bottom and locate something called the Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. The Trading Panel is like the bridge that connects TradingView's powerful charting with partnered brokers and platforms. It's where you see which brokers and platforms you can actually connect to your TradingView account, letting you open and manage trades directly from your charts. Now at this point, the Trading Panel will load up a new section, typically at the bottom of your chart. It may take a moment depending on your internet connection, so just give it a second if it's still loading. You'll see a list or a grid showing various brokers and platforms. What you'll want to do is use the search feature in this panel. Usually there's a little search bar, or you can simply scroll through the list and type in MetaTrader 5 or MT5 to see if it shows up as an available option. If MetaTrader 5 appears in the list, that's fantastic news. It means TradingView currently supports direct connection to MT5 and you can proceed with linking your accounts right from there. You might see a Connect button next to it, and from there you would follow any on-screen prompts to log in and authorize the connection. If you do see it, you're all set to start trading MT5 accounts using TradingView's powerful charting tools and seamless order placement. On the other hand, if you don't see MetaTrader 5 in the trading panel at all, that means TradingView doesn't support a direct connection to MT5 at this time, at least in 2025. It's entirely possible that integration will be added in the future, especially with how quickly trading technologies evolve, but for now you'd have to use the platforms separately. And that's really all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can check if this powerful integration is available, keeping your trading workflow as smooth and efficient as possible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you've got any questions, ran into issues, or just want to share your experience with TradingView and MT5, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tutorials on trading tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.